Long gone are the days of performing a secret handshake with your keyboard just to type a proper AM dash because Windows 11 has finally made it simple. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for all the tech news. Microsoft is rolling out a new keyboard shortcut that lets you unleash the mighty dash in a flash. According to Jen Gentleman, Principal Technical Program Manager at Microsoft, the shortcut is a 3-key combo of Windows plus Shift plus dash. Want a slightly shorter on dash instead? Then drop the Shift key and press Windows plus dash. Simple, elegant, and far less painful than the old Alt plus 0151 trick that made keyless keyboard owners cry. The naming is a throwback to printing days. The EM dash is as wide as a capital M, while the undash matches a capital N. Once confined to clunky workarounds or the emoji panel, the EM dash can now appear with minimal effort, perfect for punctuation perfectionists. But here's the twist. Modern style guides and OWL writers may make you think twice. ChatGPT and other OWL tools love the EM dashes, and overusing it can make your writing look like it was OWL generated. Many writers now prefer the undash, which is sleek, subtle, and less in your face than the stretched out EM1. Still, if you're feeling bold, the EM dash is now fully at your fingertips without any numeric acrobatics. Mac users have enjoyed this luxury for ages by just swapping the Windows key for Option, and the same 3-key magic works with Option plus Shift plus dash. So go ahead, take a try, but maybe don't overdo it. While Windows 11 has finally made the EM dash easy, whether you should use it might depend on whether you want your writing to scream human or OWL generated. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Drop a like and comment what think about this. See you later.